So let's go take a look at this radon system that failed inspection. It was done by a non-licensed company. Let's take a look at that. Check that out. The neighbor has one too. Terrible. Let's take a look at this. Let's look at this. Incredible. Look at this. No cover, they put tape on it. Let's see what this is like. I guess that was a spot where they thought they were going to go for something, but I guess they screwed up. Check out that. Amazing. Completely out of code. Look at the straps that they used. Pipe hanger strap. Terrible. Incredible. People should be embarrassed to even do work like this. Look at that. They probably had tape covering it up, that cover. But nuts. Just nuts. So, this is not how a radon system is supposed to look. They're selling the house that failed inspection, and they hired me to come out here to fix this. Look how they left these holes. I guess they were drilling holes for the electric, but they screwed up. Check that gap out. Look at that. Amazing. Amazing. Well, I'll post some new pictures when we're done, if they let us repair it. So, we'll see what's going on.